is what I'm dealing with today. Basically, the snow is so heavy that I can't use the snowplow, and trying to shovel anything will probably break these modern day piece of shit excuses that they call shovels. So basically I have to wait and hope I can get a hold of a plow to deal with this shit. Instead, I've been spending all day running around. Oh, there it is. There it is. It was a nice cool moment. I'm kind of covering the microphone with my hand. I hope that's okay. Oh, I'm really sorry if you can hear wind. It's kind of a calm moment, but if I just there you go. That's a bush. That's how heavy it is. But yeah, it's, oh God, I've just been running around dealing with trying to keep the oil in the garage from freezing, because that would be bad. Trying to keep the pipes in the house from freezing, because that would be bad. That would be really bad. Trying to keep the oil to the house for heat from freezing, because that would be bad. I would be working on the driveway right now, but I mean, oh, that's my finger. Yeah, there's really nothing I can do if I just, oh God. Yeah, that's what I'm dealing with. Almost fell and busted my ass. So, oh God, my hand is freezing holding this thing. I took off a lot of stuff. There's usually a lot of stuff. For those of you that are always like, oh, what a magnificent beard he has. This is why I have a beard. I live in Massachusetts. This is the shit we deal with. We have beards, okay? They're not fashion statements. I know I'm sexy as shit with this thing, but it seriously it keeps me warm. Same thing with my hair, which is a mess because it's wet and cold out here. So, yeah, that's why. Power has been on and off all day. So I'm pretty much using phone data to upload this to you. And all the tweets that I've been sending out today, all the tweets I've sent out, I made like three tweets. So yeah, I'm just using phone data because the power is very, very spotty. Very spotty. You can just see all of this. There goes a cop. Yes, hello. Just making sure everyone's okay. It's fucking cold. Holy shit. The other hand is frozen solid right now. Yeah, I'm just gonna call this. I came back out after a short break. I took off my gloves and my face mask and my glasses, so that way you can see and hear me. I don't know how much you're gonna be able to hear me because of the wind, but yeah, it's kind of calmed down a bit. Hopefully I'll be back at some point in the future. That's it. Bye. Fuck this. I'm going inside. It's cold. It's cold. It's cold. I almost died.